All right, now I'm on page 389 of the Go Math textbook, Chapter 10, Lesson 1. The area of a figure is the number of square units needed to cover it without any gaps or overlaps. The area of a rectangle is the product, so multiplication, of the length times the width. The rectangle shown has an area of 12 square units for a rectangle with a length L and width W. So the formula for area is A for area equals length times, Sean challenged me to not have that happen in a math lesson, and it already happened. So, yep. Or we can write it as A equals LW, because two letters right next to themselves just means multiply as well. Okay, so you can see here it has 3 squares for the width and then 4 for the length, and if we multiply 3 times 4 we get 12, and we can see here if we count them we can see that it is in fact 12. Okay. Recall that a rectangle is a special type of parallelogram. A parallelogram is a quadrilateral with 2 pairs of parallel sides. So this side is parallel to this side. If we extend these lines on forever, they would never meet. And this line is parallel to this line. If we extended those on forever, they would never meet. So this figure is a parallelogram. Okay, Victoria is making a quilt. She is using material in the shape of parallelograms to form the pattern. The base of each parallelogram measures 9 centimeters. We can think of the base as the width, and the height measures 4. What is the area of each parallelogram? Okay, so here's our parallelogram that she is using. Our base is 9. And our height is 4. Okay. So what is the area of the rectangle first? Well, width is 4, base is 9, so we need to do length times width, and they told us this is the width, this is the length. So 9 times 4 is 36, and it's centimeters. And then we say squared because they make little squares. Okay, so 36 centimeters squared. What is the area of the parallelogram? Exactly the same thing. 36 centimeters squared. You do the same exact math. So the base of the parallelogram was the length. And really, don't get too caught up on which one's the length and which one's the width, because you should know that in multiplication the order doesn't matter, and since we are multiplying length times width, which one is the length and which one is the width isn't that important, okay, because we can reverse them and still get the same answer. Okay, the height was the width, and the area of the parallelogram equals the area of the rectangle. For a parallelogram with a base B and a height H, A equals B times H, or we can say B times H, same thing. Area of a parallelogram equals base times height, and then 9 times 4 we already said was 36, and it's square meters. This is SQ meters, or you can write it as centimeters squared like this. Either way, this way or this way is fine. So the area of each parallelogram in her quilt is 36 centimeters. All right, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Again, if you have any questions though, if you're not sure why I did something or how that works, stop, raise your hand, and I'll come talk to you about it. All right, thanks again. I'll see you on the next one.